Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't uploaded in a really long time, but I'll be showing you today how to use custom Tkinter. So custom Tkinter is a library made by this person, which is basically editing Tkinter to be more modern, right? So this is what Tkinter looks like without just by itself, and this is what Tkinter looks like while it's custom, right? It's different. So let's just first install it. So we want to just come here to your terminal and type in pip install. And if you followed my how to install Python video, you will know how to install pip the proper way, install Python the proper way. If you don't, you won't have pip. You gotta install it separately, but if you do that, yeah. So what you want to do is just pip install custom Tkinter, like that, and just click enter. Okay, now I already have custom Tkinter, so for you I'll install it, for me it won't, because I already have it. Now after installing, let's just go here. So what we're gonna do is import custom Tkinter. After that, what we want to do is we can set the appearance to dark and light. So we can do custom Tkinter dot set color, so default color scheme. Also do that color theme. Custom Tkinter dot set appearance mode, and we can do dark here because I like dark. And on this we can do blue. Blue's default, but just writing it is better. Then we'll set the app. So set the window. So app equals to custom Tkinter dot ctk, like that. Okay. Then we got app dot geometry. We're just gonna do 400 by 240. It's gonna be pretty small. Just right there, we can create a button, right? So actually before that, we can just run this. So app dot main loop. Okay. App dot main loop. Let's just run it. My bad here. We meant to do lowercase. And here also lowercase. I did capital. My bad. Here, there you go. It runs. This is what a window looks like. Okay. Now let's place a button in our window. So to add a button, what you gotta do is just button equals to custom Tkinter dot ctk button. Okay, a button, and this one's going to be called app. This is where we define where to put it, app. And that's we can do that as well. But see, as you can see, it's master. We can also do master equals to app. That'll also do the same thing. This is better. It's recommended by the people who made it. Then we can add our text. So text equals to click me. We can do that. Okay. And then we go to the command equals to. Okay. Now to do this, what you gotta do is come here and create a function. New function called button clicked. Okay. Do button clicked. Inside here, what you're gonna do is just print. My bad. Print. Button pressed. I'm done. So here, in the command, you just paste this one in. There you go. Button clicked. And done. It's not gonna be done yet. If you run it, look what happens. Nothing happens because it's not there. What we gotta do is we actually gotta place it in there. So what we do is button dot place. Okay. Then we can do rel x. So it's basically like a. Okay, so what rel x does is just like it's like a offset, right? It's like a pad. We use rel x, so we can do 0.5. So it's float. We can do floats when we use rel x. And rel y 0.5. Let's just do about 0.5, and you can run it. There you go. Now as you can see, it's not in the center. If I move it, it's not in the center. To make it in the center, what you do is just anchor equals to Tkinter dot center, CENTER. Okay, now here to use that function, we're gonna actually import Tkinter. There you go. And there it is. It's in the center now. If you click it, it says button pressed right there. So let's just basically add a sidebar. Okay, let's add a sidebar. So to make a sidebar is pretty simple actually. But first, before making a sidebar, we're gonna have to get our grid set up. So let's go up here and set up grid. Okay, there you go. We're just gonna do it. It's just to say where we're gonna do it. So let's just do app dot grid and then column figure. There you go. We do 1 and weight 1. Okay. Now this will set up a 4x4. So let's just keep doing it. We need a 4x4. So then we're gonna do grid column config. No, sorry. Column figure. Not true. We're gonna do let's go here. My bad. I'm sorry. Here. No equals. What am I doing? Here. I'm gonna put another 2, 3, and weight equals to 0. This one. And finish that. And then last one. Instead of column, we're gonna do instead of column, we're gonna do row config, and we're gonna have to have a 2, 1, and 0 here. Okay, just like that. That's it for our thing. Now let's make the sidebar. Okay. We can put that button, keep that button. We can put it in the sidebar. So to create the sidebar, we're gonna do sidebar equals. We're just gonna create a sidebar. Okay. So sidebar. Let's just call it sidebar frame because we're gonna create a frame here. Sidebar frame. Okay, sidebar frame goes to custom tkinter dot ctk frame. Okay. Then here we gotta do is app. What's the name? Width. Let's just add a width of 140, and a corner radius. This is what's good about custom Tkinter because we can have custom rounded edges. Okay. Let's just place that now. So instead of we're gonna do grid now. Instead of place, sidebar frame dot place, we're gonna use sidebar frame dot grid. So sidebar frame dot grid. Okay, just like that. And then what we're gonna do is row equals 0, column equals 0, and row span equals to 4. And also sticky, so NSEW, north, south, east, west. So give it a run. There we go. We can see that there. Alright. Now we can actually, since there's a width, we can do a height as well. And we can, height is equal to the same as ours, so 240. As you can see, it's there. Now let's put this button into this frame. To do that, what you gotta do, just instead of master equals app, do master equals sidebar, and it goes into there. See? Now, if we didn't have a sticky, let's control X this. If we didn't have sticky, what would happen is, it's fine, but sometimes what happens is that the button like takes up the frame, so then you don't have any space. Like it just like takes the shape of the frame, so frame becomes into the button. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, this is what it is. All right, you click me and it clicks. You can actually change the width of this button. Just come here and width equals to like 90. We can do that. can see. There you go. Instead of the frame being on the left, we can actually put the frame on the bottom. So go to column 1. There you go. Wait. Yes. See the frame, you can see it. It's on the thing. Since we put it in column 1, it's gonna be the same thing as that. So if we do row 1 as well, it's gonna be doing the whole screen now. Actually, it's gonna stay on the first. I was just explaining to you. Let's put it back to the side. So 0, 0. And there you go. That's our sidebar. Now I can put buttons in there as I showed. Now that's basically for the sidebar. Actually, more important is an entry. So if you don't know what an entry is basically like a box. Put your cursor in there and you get some text. You can write text. So basically entry 1 equals custom Tkinter entry. There you go. Let's write that. Sidebar frame. Placeholder text equals to enter text. Okay, and then we're gonna place it. So entry 1 equals, no, sorry, my bad, pack window pack pad 10 and pad x equals 10. Oh, sorry. Put a capital K. There you go. And there you go. You can do that. You can write in there. There you go. That's your entry. Now you can also add a text box. However, I want to change something that I did here. Right, as you can see, I used place. What I can do is actually use grid here. So copy that, place it here. Instead of that, we're gonna go button, place it there, and that's it. Just do that. Let's do it for this one as well. Copy that. Oh, copy that. Paste it here. Okay, I'm gonna put row 1 on this one. There you go. Okay, we're gonna put this one on row 1 actually. This one on row 2. Then we can do pad x, pad y. Okay, just copy that. Paste it here. Run it. And there you go. Alright everyone, that is basically it for this video. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.